Yeah. So I need to know if you are understanding or not. So try to respond. So today, ma'am already told you na about what will we do. Like we will discuss few basics things about latex, how to use it at this level.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you all have overlay for the offline edition of the latex. Have you downloaded it
I have the offline edition.
offline?
Yeah. The
Okay,
text maker, I guess.
I
text
use
message.
the overlap.
Okay, okay. So no problem. I will actually I will show in both the that text maker also and this overlay. So those are actually commands are same only. So there is basically no problem in text maker, but you have to separately like download many packages and like there are not every packages available. So that's why like overleaf is better compatible for our work. So now I'm going to share my screen. And oh, sir has joined.
Thank you. Hello. Yes,
Yes,
Vivek
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, madam is not coming today?
No, no. Actually, madam is not come. She told me to like just show them the how to use that latex and how to yeah. That's the tutorial.
I didn't know that. Actually, I could have taken some
Yeah.
class anyway. So, yeah, in that case, I could have taken some class.
Oh, you if
No,
you
no, no.
want to.
No, 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 no. Now it's okay. Now, don't I don't want to disturb the schedule.
Okay.
Had I known, I would have told her, but I did not know. Maybe she didn't want to know. Pallav, incidentally, you wanted to come and join, come and meet me.
Uh, Today not possible. I
Uh,
will try, sir.
so Thursday, you are only free on Thursday.
Thursday, please, sir.
So Thursday
Thurs-
afternoon, you can come and meet me.
Okay, sir.
So this is yeah, Thursday afternoon is okay. I think 11th, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So afternoon
11th,
around
no, sir.
huh?
After 1:30 p.m. is good,
That
sir.
is okay. So you can come at 3 o'clock
Okay, okay, sir.
Thursday afternoon, okay? Yeah. Whatever your doubts.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And anybody else has any doubt, you can come and meet me on Thursday. To all others also. I see only two of you, Somendu and Raj. Okay. Thursday 3 o'clock I'll be there in my office. Okay, Vivek, you continue. Don't worry, huh?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to share my screen. Just let me know if you all can see it. Uh, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm gonna start with overleaf. So let me go to. You guys already have the account. So yeah, this is the overleaf account. I'm going to just new file.
Just increase the font size, just zoom in,
Increase the font size. Okay.
and just zoom in.
Is it okay?
So,
So you know now, like you just before starting the work, you need to save it in dot text file. So this is like this is online version, so it will read this whatever codes you write in this text file, and it will give you the PDF version in that. Yeah. So you understand that thing, right?
that I know.
Yeah. So so I created a new. Yeah, I can show from here only. Yeah. So in order to start, so for yeah, if you can, you want to see, this is a now blank screen. So wait, let me recompile it. It's all, yeah. Wait, I think my file is not created. Just a minute. Yeah. 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 Done. So you can see this is a blank now. I haven't written anything. So you need to just like mention what kind of document you want to write or you want to print. So what? So I just mostly I want to use it for making article or making PDF files for you can or making Beamer. Beamer in the sense it means PDF that PowerPoint presentation. So there are different class of these documents. So we need to create it first. So I will type yeah. So my laptop is, yeah. Is document class, and this one is third bracket and followed by the curly bracket. So in this first yeah, in this third bracket you can give the font size, like how big you want your font size to be. So I generally use so 12 point size is fine for your like font, but I might need more for, because you can't see it in the screen, so I will give 18. And this is the document. When in second this curly bracket you will mention the actually this class, what it will be. It will be article. So you can see everything, and in latex, you know this everything. This is the backslash. You need to like type it before every code, like every kind of code, mathematical functions, whatever you want to print. You need to type this backslash. So without this, it will show error. Yeah. So after that you will give some title, or yeah, there are various kinds of packages in online. So you can, so I want to today show you how to make matrix, how to make tables, how to give reference. So for various kind of things I need to use various kind of packages. So as we go like go forward, I will show you which packages I'm using. So till now, is it fine?
Yeah.
This package. It's all in, so it's very easy in case of overlap, you can see it. So now I will give the title. Title would be say whatever. I can give any arbitrary title. Title would be body theory. Just suppose it's a title. Now I need to give the name of the author or whoever is doing this project. So I need to write author some XYZ. So now let's see, this is the most basic formation of a latex document. So let's see what it gives. So it's showing error. because I haven't started yet. I need to give I need to give some what we say, some content which it will show as PDF here. So I haven't I haven't given it yet. So it's showing error. So after that, give a space, leave a space, and yeah, then start begin. So begin document. You need to in yeah, it's this kind of code, begin and end, which comes in pairs. So always, if you are using in that text maker, there it won't come this automatically begin or end if you it's not upgraded form. So there you need to keep it in mind, like whenever you are using it, always give begin document and then end it, or else you won't, or else it will show error. So now I can, yeah, now in between this, I can, I need to do my work, whatever I need to type. So let's see what I can, yeah, let's start with, yeah. So I have written a sentence. Let's see what it gives. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, what I missed one thing. You need to give another make title. So there you will get this headline. Yeah, see, the date is actually, it comes automatically. Today is from February 8, so it will come automatically. And this, yeah. And if you want to increase the size, you can further write it 20. Now let's see. Is it visible, this PDF? I think I need to increase the size more. In my screen, it's visible, but can you respond? Is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay. So this is the most basic formulation of writing an article. Now you can do it yourself, like whatever you have to write. So now I will go with how to write matrix, determinants, how to make tables, and yeah, there is another one thing. There is another thing that is known as section. So you need to let me show it, then you will understand what is a section. Section. Second order theory. And now recompile it. Yeah, see this numbering and section. So this is kind of subtitles, like on your topic, what you want to do. If you again give section, then it will automatically show number. Yeah, if you again give section and give some another name, suppose couple cluster theory. So the second section would be couple cluster theory. Like this, you can just again elaborate it and continue your work. So till now, is it fine?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. So after that, now let's make tables. So for table, you need to use some package. Let me show you. I think graphics package is fine. No, I need to use. This is online, so I can use this package. In offline, you cannot use this package. You need to separately download it. CSV simple. It's available in online. Now, for starting a table, I need to mention begin tabular. This is the code for making any kind of table. This is the most basic form of table. Just remove it. So begin tabular, you can see that these are columns C, then this one hyphen, then C. So you need to see the form of this. So you can increase the number of columns. So for increasing the number of columns, you need to add another hyphen and another column like this. So then now there will be, I think, a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there will be 4 columns. So you can fill this. You need to give first some horizontal line. If you don't give this horizontal line, there will be some problems which I will show you now. That's fine. This and like this and is actually the column separation. It will separate each columns. So never forget to give. So let's see what happens. And this yeah, I haven't also told about you this. This is very important. You see this double slash. This actually gives like this tells this package, this document viewer to go to next line. This works the function of enter.
Hello. Slash H line.
Yeah, I forgot it. That I want to show you first. Like if I don't give h line, what will happen? See, this table is incomplete. Can you see it? This
Yes, yes.
okay. Can you see it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me- So now I need to give h line. Now you can see it will be okay.
Mm.
I think I haven't given this. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now it's fine. Oh, I am missing another. No, now I got it. Sorry. Yeah, this now the table would be complete. So this is the error. Yeah, now it's fine. So this is the most like basic formulation of table, and it's kind of time taking. But yeah, there are several packages which will be even more, like take less time, and it's much more easier. Like, but for first like beginners, this kind of table is most reliable, and as you can use it, like as you go on for longer run, then you will learn many other methods. So making a table, is it fine right now? You can make any table like this. And yeah, one more thing, I need to show some, like you can increase the spacing of a table. So instead of C, if you write paragraph, P for paragraph, yeah, now you can give any size you want. So I will give 2 centimeter, and instead of x4, this I will write some sentence which need to be fit inside the table. So let's see if this 2 centimeter space works or not, or else I need to increase it. So let's write something. um, 0 point energy correction. Suppose I write this, and let's see if it works or not. So it's showing this thing error. Paragraph, yeah, because this is not fitting. You can see it from this on the right hand side, 0 point energy correction. It's not fitting inside the table. So I need to increase the spacing. Let's make it 5 centimeter. Let's see. Yeah, now it's fine. So you understand it about the table.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello,
So
where
yeah,
P denotes মানে point, মানে 5 centimeter point.
P is the paragraph. P is for
Oh,
paragraph.
a paragraph. Okay.
Size. Yeah, size. So you can increase, like you know, like for making table, you need it for
Yeah.
in writing. Yeah. So till up till now it's fine. So shall I begin with like basic like how to make matrix determinants?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till this, now let me go. Mm, Let me go to some new. Yeah. Matrix dot text. Yes. So yeah. So as usual, I need to, yeah, first yeah, I have to start with this same thing. Use packets. Now, for making a determinant, sorry, for matrix, you need to use another package which is known as EMS math. This package is for like various kind of mathematical tools and functions, matrix, determinants, and yeah, you can make use from this package. But it, like I doubt it will be available in offline text maker or not. But in online, it's quite handy. So as usual, begin document. After that, for writing any kind of mathematical function, I solve. I can do it in either two ways. I can use this dollar sign, and I can write in between. Or if you want to like number, like if you want to mention the number of the equation, like equation number one, equation two, for that you need to do it like begin equation. So these have also an end line, as you know. So now I will make some one basic metric structure. Before starting, I want to tell that there are two kinds of matrix: V matrix and another is P matrix. So there is like it's kind little bit of difference in that brackets and nothing else. I will show you. First, I will start with V matrix. One more thing, I need to give this dollar sign for because of this. I'm making a matrix table, specifically this equation part. So that's why I need to give this dollar sign in the matrix. You can go to another line. It will show error now. No problem. A and B and second line C and D. And always remember to end this. Okay, sorry, I don't need to give this begin equation because I already gave the dollar sign. Let's see. I think I haven't saved it yet. Just wait. Let me check it. Oh, as usual, that error. I haven't end this line. Now it should run. Yeah. So, do you understand it? This is the B matrix. So, wait, let me write it. This is the B matrix. If you have any problem, you can ask me, or is it fine? You can increase this size of matrix. You can make it 3 by 3, 4 by 4, you know. Let's do it 3 by 3. A, B, X. Let's see. Another line, I will need to 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose QRS, Q, R. Okay. So this is the B matrix. Now I want to show you what is a P matrix, how it's different. So just I need to change this command to P matrix. Begin P matrix as usual. I need to end it also with P matrix. And now I can recompile. And see, just the bracket will change. So this is the P matrix. And if you want to make it determinant, so for that, you need to do just change from P matrix to V matrix. So for now, it will create the determinant. Yeah. So do you get it? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, matrix determinant part is done. Table part is done. Now now you guys tell me, do you like you can write those equations, right, in quantum chemistry? So Schrodinger equations, then Hartree-Fock equation, those kind of equations in LaTeX. Did you ever like have written it? Or I can show you some small form of equations.
Okay, it will be better.
Okay. So suppose I am, I can, so you know about creation and annihilation operators, and I will show a simple form of equation using that. So just wait. Yeah. So yeah, I'm using this file only. Yeah. So suppose I want to write, yeah, I will use this time I will use the dollar sign. So I want to use, yeah, I want to show a equation in which this psi is actually getting doubly excited. So this is a double excitation, yeah, using creation and annihilation operators. So yeah, this so it's kind of very simple, just it's looks tedious. So for psi I need to write slash. There are two kind of psi. If you write in small case, then it will be okay. Wait, I need to okay, I am deleting this part. It's creating disturbance. Yeah. Suppose this I have written psi. And another I can, if I give capital one, then it will be, it like for different work you need it. Dif yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah. Wait, I need to increase it. Yeah. Now it's just see it carefully what I'm doing. Size. for now, for summation, I need to give slash sum. This command will give you that summation part. And if you give underscore I, so now you can, if I recompile it, you will understand what I mean. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. And if you want to give Dirac, you know, in quantum chemistry, we use Dirac like symbols a lot. So for that, you can just simply write R angle. Is this side you can write slash L angle for left. So just see what happens.
There is angle mistake.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is how you can give Dirac symbols. And yeah, these notations would be useful for some I. And now I will write slash phi underscore j. So now here also I need to give yeah, that's fine. Underscore j. This is the basis like linear combination of this is the simple equation for this. And if you want to like number, like if you want this equation to be marked, so you need to remove this and do slash begin equation. No. Now if you recompile it, you can see, and it automatically comes to center because of this begin equation and end equation. So every time it will if you do this begin equation and end equation, it will give you the equation in the like center, but you have like you don't have to use that center command and center command for this kind of equations. So like after that, if you need to give some text like some notes, if you need to write some notes, so you cannot write it inside the equation box. So just this, if like I can show you what will happen. So now recompile it. There won't be any space in because it's inside the equation columns inside the equation part, so there won't be space. Everything is a mathematical function here. So inside this, if you want to give space, you need to provide slash horizontal space. Sorry, not horizontal, vertical space. Yeah. Suppose you want to give 2 centimeter. Now you can and yeah, you need to give this enter. Yeah, after that. So you see there are different kind of complications inside this equation. You cannot do it. So better to delete this and move it out of equation. Here you can write anything you want. First you now see it won't be any problem. Let me decrease the size. Can you see it? This is not coming at center. So for this, you need to give another command that is centering. Yeah, this now, is this fine? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
So this there are, there are various kinds of symbols in maths: theta, then eta, xi, chi. You need to learn if you want to learn it very well and you can type very fast. For that you need to just go to Wikipedia and you can see those commands for this kind of symbols. So I have shown you for a few, but this is fine. But mostly you will use this kind of things only. But if you are in pure math, or if you want to do something more mathematical, then you will need some more complicated terms. So for that you will need another like more maths package. There are several in this online form. So let me show you the offline form also of all this LaTeX form, this editor. So I have this text maker, which is the offline form. So let me see. Yeah, I have prepared it already. So this is that similar to that overlay just I have shown you. So you can just quick build it. Yeah. See this this offline form works actually like this. You don't need, one good thing about it is you don't need internet. But suddenly if you need some new kind of package which is not available in your application, so that time you will face a lot of problems. So better to use overlay for this timing now. But if you use those institute cluster, those computers, then you will get everything. So there is no problem now in offline or online form of LaTeX. It's the same. Or do you have any doubt regarding offline? You can ask me.
The question psi I to the power alpha.
To the power, yeah. Sorry, I haven't shown this to the power alpha. So if you want to, show to the power alpha, phi to the power alpha, so simply write I this there is this symbol for to the power. You understand, right? You use it in other codes also. To the
Right.
power n. If you write it, it's simple. 5 to the power n. Is it fine? Or I need to zoom it? Yeah. Is it fine? And don't, this is not hyphen, this is actually equal to. So for some reason, it's it's lower one is bit not visible. So, but any doubt?
Expectation value, that is, I need to.
I will show you. Yeah. So what you want? What ask again?
Expectation value, that is psi of upper index হচ্ছে alpha, lower index I, and then
Okay.
and
Psi
j
of
expectation. Expectation. Bracket notation actually.
bracket notation. Okay. 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 Just yeah. Let me finish it typing. Then I will tell you. See, after this bracket notation is this you want to ask? You wanted to know this notation.
Also, there is upper is a phi of there is power also alpha.
Alpha.
Just we
Okay,
have to
okay.
write caret alpha. No? That is
Oh, after that, if you want to give some upper notation, then this you and give always give curly brackets so you won't get confused. So alpha. So for alpha, you need to write slash alpha or phi j some slash beta. Alpha taklo, alpha. And then don't forget to close the bracket or it will show error. See, it's less. Yeah, is it fine?
okay.
Or you can just, and yeah, it's looking quite murky. So wait, let me just, after phi n, let me just end the equation here only. Again, you will write a begin equation. Now it will be clear. Yeah. Is it visible? So there we have 6 more minutes. I will just show you one another this double excitation form. This is so you will get an idea about everything in this. So I need to begin another equation. Yeah, equation 3. So it's begin equation. Yeah. So I will now say psi underscore I comma j a comma b. So here the I and j spin orbital is getting replaced by a and b. So this is what double excitation means. Let's recompile. Yeah. I don't need to give comma. Ij, AB is fine.
Hello.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
closed loop integration sign. Closed loop integration sign.
Okay. For closed loop integration. So for that you need to type /int. For /int underscore some variable I to n. Let's see. Oh, sorry. These are recompile. Yeah.
On that, no. In the integration there is a loop symbol. Yeah, that's how can that?
I guess that is OINT.
OINT, no? Okay.
Yes.
If you want to give OINT, there will be loop. If you give double INT, there will be double integration. See? For triple integration, you need to just add one more I. It will give triple integration. So is it fine?
Yes, sir. Okay. And
Okay. Okay. So yeah, this all things I needed to tell you. So if you have any other, like there are lots of other things which you will like, this is the basic formulation of latex. Like if you start writing, like using it and writing it, you will get to know eventually. Like in our time, nobody told us. We just somehow managed to learn it. So this and for any kind of doubt, you just need to type latex tutorial, overleaf latex. Yeah. Yeah, here you will get your like every kind of doubt would be clear, like for math function. But it's not only for maths, and so here you can clear your doubt, and yeah, that's all. I think I have forgot something. I have forgot to show you that .beef file and adding reference. So now time is up actually. Can I like show you some other day? It will need only 10 to 12 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. Like,
okay.
like now, right now you are not, if you like, this is that .b file, those is required for adding reference citation if you are like writing a paper. So that right now you don't need it, right? So but I will show you, but some day you guys can just give me a text or mail me. So you don't have my number, right? So how, like, you can just note my number and contact me for any kind of doubt if you regarding, and I will show you this citation, and this only one topic this is remaining. So this will take only 10 minutes, so I will show you some day whenever you are convenient. So tell me.
Okay. Okay.
So
Vivek, I can add you in this group. I don't know if you are there already in the WhatsApp group, and you can contact everybody, and everyone can contact.
okay, then please add me. That would be very fine. And
Yeah.
actually, yeah, I needed to be added in that VLAN group also. So
Yeah, I
everything
did
would be
ask, but it is not done yet. I will ask again.
okay. Thanks.
Okay, and
So
with regard to LaTeX, I just wanted to mention one more thing. This offline packages. So whenever whatever software you use, they will have like a wizard for adding packages where you can search the name of the package and then you install it. So if it's missing.
yeah. Actually, and that text maker, that need to be upgraded also. So if you don't upgrade it, there is some problems in that citation part. That Mac
Okay,
text,
okay.
I use Mac text, so I haven't upgraded it till, so I use Overleaf
Okay,
to
so
get that.
I use Text Studio, and that is, I have been very happy with it. And Text
Okay.
Studio is available for I think both Windows and Mac OS, and maybe also Linux. So this is one way. There's also the command line interface. So people who like doing things by typing commands, you can always use the command line interface. That is what you will be using if you use Institute computers to write your LaTeX documents, I guess.
Yeah, in Institute Computer, that is.
Then you will have to use the command line. Actually, most convenient is, of course, Overleaf.
Yeah, it's easy.
That is the most convenient one.
Yeah.
But for very big documents, then maybe offline can be useful. If you have like big image files and lots of things to add.
I need to show actually those how to upload that image file and that citation. Today I overshooted actually the time.
Okay. We can arrange like another maybe half an hour class sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will also be fine.
Okay.
Okay, Vivek. So I will then. So can you stop the recording now? Then we can have two separate classes, one for the LaTeX tutorial and one for the rest, and then you can start it
Okay.
again. Who